Next I add here line chart, column chart and pie chart. For this I need to create another pivot table. Click on Insert tab, then click on Pivot Table, click OK. Drag and drop month field in rows box and revenue field in values box and quantity field in values box. Right click, click on group. I uncheck days and select quarters. Click OK. Now I create column chart. Before I change the format of column B, select currency, then click on pivot chart, select combo. I make this series as secondary axis, click OK. Right click, hide all field buttons on chart. Point on legend, then click on legend. Place legend at bottom position. Remove these horizontal lines. Then I format horizontal and vertical axis values. Select this vertical axis, click on Home tab, change the text color discolor, click on bold, then select this axis, change the font color discolor, click on bold, then select legend, click on bold, select this vertical axis and click on bold. After that I change the background color. Click on format. I select this color. Then double click on chart. Remove pivot table fields pane. Click on series. I change the series colors discolor. I also change the line colors discolor. Scroll down, select smooth line, then click on marker, select marker options, then select built-in, select this type, increase the size, select solid fill, but I change the color white color. I also change the outline color of these markers. First select these markers, then select marker, go to the marker options. Then scroll down, in border section select solid line and select this color. Then increase the width of outline. Then select this line, select no line, then click on Format tab. I select no outline for all chart. Now copy this chart and place at this position. Move this text box at upper position. Resize. Then I select data labels. After that, I change the color for data labels. Select this color, click on bold, then select quantity series, select this color and click on bold. I drag down the value of this column. Increase the width of this chart. Rename this sheet column chart. Next, I create another pivot table. In this sheet, I will create pie chart. In a rows box, select months. Then drag and drop revenue field in values box. Format these values. Click OK. Then click on pivot chart. Select pie chart. Remove these fields button. Place legend at bottom position. Press delete key. I change the color of this slice. Select solid. I select this color. I also change the color for this slice. Suppose I select this color. Then turn on data labels. Select all labels. In labels sections, select the position of labels outside end. Then go to the text options. I change the text color, this color. Then click Home tab, click on bold. Then click Format. Change the chart color, this color, and select No Outline. Copy this chart and place at this position. Resize. Then I change the color for these slices. Press Ctrl key. Click on slicer. I change the color for all slices, this color. Then press mouse, drag up.